Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today we're going to unbox the Play-Doh case of colors. All these colors look wonderful, so let's get started. So this is the Play-Doh case of colors with 12 packs in it. Using these colors, one can make a flower, a car, a fish, a snake, a bird, a ship, a frog, and many more objects. It's going to be fun. It says it contains 12 tubs. It looks exciting, doesn't it? Come on, let's open it. This is yellow colored Play-Doh. What's yellow used for? Bananas? This is orange colored Play-Doh. Can you think of something that is orange? How about an orange? This is the light green colored Play-Doh. Looks like ice cream, doesn't it? Mint ice cream. Yum. This is pink colored Play-Doh. Like bubblegum, huh? This is the dark green colored Play-Doh. Looks like grass. This is peach colored Play-Doh. You ever notice how all the colors, many of them, have the same color as fruits? This is the dark pink colored Play-Doh. It's somewhere between pink and red, but it's darker than the other pink. This is the white colored Play-Doh. Many things are white. Chalk, ice cream, vanilla. This is red colored Play-Doh. Looks like a fire truck, huh? This is blue colored Play-Doh. Blue like the sky, blue like the ocean. So many things you can use blue for. This is purple colored Play-Doh. What a royal color that is. And this one is lemon yellow colored Play-Doh. It's like the yellow, but a little bit more lemony. Unboxing this was truly fun. And it's just the beginning. Thanks for watching. For more Play-Doh videos, stay tuned.